morning from Chiang Mai. We're on our way today to go see the elephants.
Yeah.
At the Elephant Nature Park. It's a sanctuary to rehabilitate elephants. I don't know. There, you see that one there? We just took a pit stop to go to the toilet before we go. It's about an hour out of Chiang Mai city. And yeah, you're gonna see lots of elephants today.
Yeah.
Elephants!
You can come closer. This one, she nice. She friendly.
Only sometimes it's nice to be with.
She's eating squash. It's yummy. Are you itchy? Aww. Oh, yeah. Good itch.
Just hanging out.
She's not
Dogs don't
eating.
even care, right?
No,
Just
they
like,
don't
whatever.
move. They stay. But they don't step on them either. Kiss me,
Hi, sweetie. Oh, you squishing the squash. Your ears are so soft. You got a good back, right? A good back.
Here comes baby elephant. He's friendly. Yeah, they get their bath and then they cover in mud to stay cool, right? The baby one is so cute. What is the baby doing? Go. 60. โอ้คันชิมไม่รู้เป็นอะไร
mira cómo han venido todos a comer.
Bow down.
Oh, yeah. Oh, he has the ball.